Stop generating silent videos.
Welcome to my channel. Let's get started.
For years, AI video was a two-step nightmare. Generate the visual, then spend hours syncing audio, sound effects, and voice. That workflow is dead. This is Kling 2.6 audio by Higgsfield. It's a new multimodal engine that produces the entire scene, synchronized visuals, ambience, and voice in one shot. We are going to demo it live right now. The magic button is native audio. This is what handles the dialogue sync and soundscapes. Alright, now you are on this page where you can enter the prompt and generate the video. Make sure you have selected Kling 2.6 here. Okay, we need to test the sync. Let's write down one prompt. A mid shot of a female tech CEO in a sleek office. She looks at the camera and says, "The future isn't designed, it's generated." And now let's select the audio option, enhance audio option. It's enabled. You can select the models, but in this case, we will select Link 2.6. You can select the duration 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Let's keep it 5 seconds for now. And you can also make the setting for aspect ratio 16.16 by 9, 9 by 16, or 1 by 1. Now click on generate and it will create a video for your prompt. So let's give it some time. All right. As you can see, our video is ready. Let's see how it looks.
The future isn't designed, it's generated. The future isn't designed, it's generated. The future isn't designed, it's generated.
Wow. The lip sync is flawless. This saves every content creator hours of post production. But what about atmosphere? All right. Let's see one more prompt. A dark cinematic shot of a street lamp flickering under heavy, continuous rain. A single vintage car drives slowly by, its tires squealing slightly, cinematic, mysterious style. Let's see how it works. Click on generate and it will create a video for you. Let's give it some time. Our video is ready. Let's see. Listen to the precise timing of the squeal and the seamless loop of the heavy rain. This complexity, handled in a single pass, is what multimodal means. And if you need a clean track for sound design, you can simply use the optional silent output feature. It gives you the high quality visual render without any sound. Beyond the audio, Kling 2.6 introduces full HD quality and better motion fidelity. No more muddy details or wobbly camera moves. Watch this scene. The camera path is cleaner, the face is sharper, and the skin texture is perfect. This is the level of fine detail needed for professional work. Plus, the new higher prompt precision means the AI actually understands your instructions on framing, emotional tone, and action better than before. You got what you asked for faster. This is a game changer for several specific audiences. Content creators get instant voiceover and synced audio for shorts and explainers. Advertisers can run fast video ads where the sound and tone perfectly match the message, cutting down iteration time by half. And for filmmakers and VFX artists, testing concepts with built in atmosphere and voice allows for lightning fast pre visualization and concept testing. It's simple, better output, and fewer steps. Let's talk about pricing. For high volume users, the final piece is cost. Higgsfield has the best pricing structure on the market right now. As you can see, the price per Kling 2.6 video starts at just $0.29, making it the absolute lowest cost per generation compared to its competitors. But the ultimate deal is Higgsfield is currently offering unlimited Kling 2.6 audio generations for everyone who subscribes to the Ultimate Plus plans by December 12th. If you need high volume, predictable, low iteration workflows, you cannot miss this. This is unlimited access to the best audio visual AI model available today. So, stop struggling with silent video and manual sound syncing. Get the future of multimodal generation here. With that, they have other plans as well. As you can see, they have individual category. Under that individual category, they have basic, pro, ultimate, and creator plan. They have also business plans. If you go to team, they have team plan as well as enterprise plan. Under team plan, they have multiple categories and set of options and features. So you can have a look here and choose whatever plans suit your requirement.
Thanks for watching.